Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into your AG employee account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your AG employee account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you have to search for AG employee login. After searching for that, you will come up to this page, and over this page what you can do is just tap on that first option which says Principal Accountant General Employee Login. And after tapping on that option, if you scroll down here, you can find you have to enter employee pin and then enter the password. After entering that pin and password, now you have to write image code, and after doing all this, just tap, and after entering all these details, just tap on submit, and after tapping on submit, you will successfully log into your AG employee account. And after entering all these details, just tap on submit, and after tapping on submit, you will successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel,